Hi everyone, today's video is going to be focusing on subtraction in standard form. This is just the standard algorithm, the way that most of us have learned how to subtract. I make a joke and like to call it old school because this is the way that our parents and that I was taught how to subtract. We build on top and use this after we've explained the expanded form, so students really have the understanding of that concept. So I'm just going to jump right in and just do a quick review. We always start subtracting in our ones place. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 6 minus 1 is 5. 522. Let's move on to another one. This one we can see right here, we're going to have some regrouping that's going to have to happen. So again, we're going to start in our ones place. 4 minus 2 is 2. When I move to my tens place, 0 minus 1, I can see if I have no tens and I want to take one away, I don't have enough. So I'm going to have to regroup and borrow. This 7, if I take 1 from the 7, becomes a 6. And this becomes a 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 6 minus 3 is 3. 392. Students should have a strong understanding of regrouping and what's happening and why this digit becomes a 6 and why this one becomes a 10 after using the expanded form. It's all about place value and understanding behind it. When you're regrouping, you're taking away from that place value. We'll do one last one. This one we're subtracting across zeros. This is a very difficult task for students. Sometimes their regrouping goes a little off to the side because it is a lot of borrowing and moving numbers. So I try to teach students to just slow down, take their time, and walk themselves through the process in their head. So I always start in my ones place. 0 minus 5, I can't do it because if I don't have any to take away, then I can't take away 5. I'm going to hop to my tens place to borrow. If I'm in my tens place and I ask, can I borrow? They don't have any to give to my ones. So I'm going to have to go all the way to my hundreds place and regroup. My 9 becomes an 8. My 0 becomes a 10. But that still doesn't help me in my ones place. I haven't moved far enough over in order to be able to subtract, so I'm going to have to regroup again. My 10 becomes a 9. My 0 becomes a 10. Now I'm ready to finally subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 8 minus 2 is 6. So our difference is 675. And that is all standard algorithm is for subtraction. Students have a more challenging time with subtraction because that regrouping does tend to throw them off. So just try to help them slow down, think about what they're doing, and if you're working with them, have them walk you through the process. If you have any questions, please just reach out and let me know.